Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So we are heading to do, I know you've seen the title already, so you guys know where we're heading. So we're gonna do a community tour, a gated community tour of the Oaklands. It's a mixture of townhouse and apartments, so you guys stay tuned for that. The exclusive gated community tour. Alright guys, so before we head in, they have a commercial basically shopping complex right here on the front. Just want to show you guys a few glimpses. Alright guys, so this is the commercial area for Oaklands. So the community was designed so that they have this commercial area at the front, so they don't have to leave to go anywhere. So you have barbers, you have doctor, laundromat, shipping, you have Chinese food, you have Subway sandwiches. So the community is right over there, and then they designed the commercial facility right in front to create some convenience. So it's Oaklands apartment, and then this is the Oaklands Commercial Center. Alright guys, so we are now on the inside of Oaklands, and as I did mention, it's a combination of townhouses and apartment complexes as well. So stay tuned, we'll drive around this gated community. You guys definitely leave your comments as well, and remember to like the video and share the video. So it's a very structured and organized community, very clean as well. I can say that much so far. In terms of different, the number of apartments and the number of townhouses, in total it's 500 plus units altogether, and then you have a mixture of both apartments and townhouses. So for apartments, you have over 400 apartments in this community, and then over 100 townhouses. So right now you can see some of the townhouses. All of them look the same because that's one of the restriction, you know, by the board of management. Can't make much changes, so they still look the same. And in terms of completion, this complex was completed in 1992. Person started moving in 1993. And what I like about it, it still look relatively new. The structure is still solid the same way, and you know, everything look clean and nice. What do you guys think though? Let me know in the comment section. So we're still in an area that is mainly townhouses, and some of the amenities. So they do have a nursery on the complex, and they also have a play area and a tennis court as well. So those are some of the amenities. So you guys continue to enjoy the drive while we tour this gated community. So we just entered Cypress Avenue. Again, the location is right off Constant Spring Road. Recently renovated and transformed Constant Spring Road. That's where this complex is located. Alright, so on the right you'll see one of the apartment clusters, or a few of the apartment clusters. You guys can have a better look from here. Alright guys, so on this road it's mainly apartments, as you'll see on the left going down. So these are all the different apartment clusters, and again in total it's over 400 apartment units. So a very big gated community, and to be honest, I've driven past here so many times, but on the outside you wouldn't know how big inside is. So it's really huge. So apartments go all the way down, and then afterwards we'll take a look at the tennis court, and as I mentioned they also have a nursery as well, so we'll take a look at that. Alright guys, so we're gonna turn back and then go to the area where the tennis court is. And again guys, leave your comments, and you know, as usual, if any of you guys have ever resided in this community or still residing in the community, just let me know in the comment section. And again, to me the community seems very organized and it's very clean. So I think maintenance fees go into good work, you know. Everything looks nice. So we have sidewalks, lots of parking. So we're now heading to the the nursery and the tennis court area. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so as you guys can see in front of us is the nursery. So it's Small Treasures Child Care. So you know, you don't have to worry about bringing your children off the complex, because you know, convenience is what everyone is looking for nowadays. And I really like this concept. I think a lot more you know, gated communities and apartment complex could consider, you know, doing something like this. It's a really good idea. And then the tennis court is just over that side. Just gonna show you guys, you know, a glimpse. Alright guys, so there you saw some glimpses of the tennis court and also, you know, the daycare area. So very nice community as I mentioned before, but I want to hear from you guys. Let me know what you think. Share your comments. So we're gonna enter Exora Close. I would say this is one of the better streets in the community. It's very organized, lots of flowers. Lots of tender love and care, you know, by the homeowners. So I like it, but let me know what you guys think nevertheless. And again, if you're living in this community or probably used to live here, let us know in the comments as well. Let's give us some big up, some shout out. So again, Oaklands, that's where we are today. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna include a minute or two of a drone shot so you guys can see how big the community is, and you know, a better look from a bird's eye view. So stay tuned, watch to the end while we send up the drone so you guys can see some aerial views. All right, so this is a close, so we have to turn back. Guys, so there you have it. I know I didn't show everywhere and it would be impossible to show every single close, every single road, but you guys were able to see a good look of this, you know, beautiful community. Remember to like, remember to comment, remember to subscribe, and wait for that drone video. It's coming up about now.